Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 78 K10. We're going a little fast for the road, so slow her down around 60. See fuel gauge working, oil pressure. Temp gauge hasn't came up yet, and the voltmeter does not work. Solid. Driver steering wheel's off a little bit, so it needs alignment. Pretty tight cab in it for an old 78 Chevy. Put the air back in and need a condenser, lines, and compressor. Needs a radio, a temp gauge, and voltmeter. So we will try to look at some of that. Can all be. That's how we're selling it right now. When we get to it, we'll take a look at it and try to get some of that stuff fixed. So if you got any questions on anything on this truck, whether we're gonna charged or we can redo the air, we do that ourselves. So if the air is the big deal for you, no big deal, we can work that into the price, and some of these other little things too. So but good solid running driving truck, great solid Washington truck, ready for restoration. So we'll go through the gears here. Big bump there. Heater fan does work, just not a lot of air comes through it. First to second. Second to third. So good solid transmission shifts. Again, any questions, 605-695-7391.